Today we're going to talk about physical wellness. Now, this is the thing that most people associate with wellness, right? Whenever you talk about wellness activities, people always think about fitness or people think about nutrition. But I want to encourage you today to focus on one that people don't always talk about, and that's rest, sleep. How well rested are you? There's actually research to support the idea that a certain level of fatigue can mimic inebriation. Your functioning is actually impaired if you are not getting the amount of rest that your body needs. You should be receiving on average at least 5 to 7 hours a day of sleep and really getting an adequate amount of rest at the end of your day so that you can prepare for a good night's sleep. So tonight I want to encourage you to really take the time to decompress when your day is over, to really relax and let your body rest and see if that doesn't help to put you to sleep so that you can get the rest that you need to be physically well.